Voximplant's voice AI orchestration platform now supports a native integration with the Deepgram Voice Agent API. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to add phone calling to the voice agent. VoxEngine is a serverless runtime for cloud telephony and voice AI orchestration. When a user places or receives a call, VoxEngine creates a WebSocket connection, invokes the Deepgram Voice Agent API, and handles media conversion between the user and the AI agent. To get started, first you will need a Deepgram API Key. If you don't have a Deepgram account already, just go to deepgram.com and sign up. Once you are in the Deepgram portal, create a new API key and copy it for later. Now let's go to the Voximplant portal at manage.voximplant.com. You will need an account and an application. Then you can add the scenario code. Don't forget to create a routing rule and to add a real or test phone number. Guides on these steps are in the description. Now let's look at the VoxEngine code. In this example, we load previous conversation history from Voximplant's application storage. Then we specify the Deepgram Voice Agent options, create our client, and connect it to the call. We have some event handlers for handling barge-in, conversation history, and login. That's it. Now let's make a phone call to the agent.
Hi, I'm Boxy. How can I help today?
Hi, yeah, can you give me a recap of what we discussed last time?
Last time we talked about the features of the Voximplant Deepgram Voice Agent integration, focusing on how it manages telephony and conversation flow. How can I assist you further today?
See the description for more information.